Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your phone plan allows tethering and enable mobile data now. Once done, open Settings and enable the hotspot or set USB tethering. This is the immediate action to create a shared connection. Make sure your phone stays charged and that the PC's Wi-Fi or USB port is ready. You do this because the phone becomes the gateway. Preparing the cable or Wi-Fi reduces interruptions and speeds up the next configuration steps. You now configure the PC to use the phone's internet. If using USB, plug in and accept any driver or trust prompts on the phone so Windows or Mac OS recognizes the interface. This creates a new network adapter. For Wi-Fi hotspot, select the SSID and enter the password shown on the phone. Once authenticated, the PC will request an IP and route traffic. If you choose Bluetooth, pair both devices and enable the network or PAN profile. This is slower but useful when Wi-Fi or USB aren't available. You finish by verifying the PC has internet. Open a web page or ping 888 to confirm. Once connected, make sure battery savers or data limits aren't shutting the hotspot down. Disable those settings so tethering remains active. If the connection fails, try toggling the phone hotspot off and on, reconnecting the PC, or rebooting both devices. These steps reset networking layers. If you still have trouble, check the phone's APN or carrier restrictions, because carriers sometimes block
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.